Today we're gonna make a very easy and delicious Spanish recipe. It's similar to ratatouille, but in Spain it's known as PISTO. You just need a few ingredients, a few vegetables, so it's very good also for your pocket. So today we are gonna be using 1 onion, 3 green pepper, 1 red pepper, 4 zucchinis, and 1 can of fried tomato. I always use this tomato sauce because for me the result is much better. Remember that you can modify these ingredients as you taste. For example, if you don't like too much the zucchinis, you can substitute for eggplant, or if you want you can add more onion or less peppers. Okay, so also I recommend you to make more quantity because you can freeze it, and then when you defrost it the result is as good. So we hope you enjoy this video, and we will be so happy if you share with us your photo in the comments below. Let's get started!
This recipe is so easy to make. You just need to chop all the vegetables and then cook them in a pot. We always start with olive oil. Don't be afraid. You must use about 4-5 tablespoons of olive oil, okay? So first of all, we need to cook the onion. After that, we are going to add the green and the red pepper. You can cook everything in a low heat or in a higher heat if you are going to look for the pot, because you need to stir a lot of times, okay? When the onion and the peppers are soft, you can add the zucchinis. When your vegetables look like that, you can add the tomato sauce. Put a lid and cook for about 5 minutes and it will be ready. We love to eat this dish like a main dish with a fried egg on the top, and also with sausage are so delicious. But if you want, you can eat it like a side dish, just with a steak, for example. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.